That tree you walk past every day, it's not just standing there, it's actually running complex calculations right now. Beneath this rugged surface lies an incredible network of fungal threads. These aren't random patterns, they're nature's fiber optic cables connecting every tree in the forest. These living threads form an incredible biological computer network, transmitting electrical signals just like neurons in a brain. But wait until you see what's happening at the cellular level. At microscopic scale, these networks process information like a supercomputer, sharing data about threats, resources, and even memories between trees, nature's own cloud computing system. Follow Curiosa to discover more incredible secrets hiding in plain sight. What other natural wonders should we explore?